Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a video on how to do manicure like a pro, but this is for total beginners. You want to start off by shaping your nails, and you can use for that any nail file. This is the glass nail file that I would recommend, and it's much more gentle on your nails. You can basically use any nail file since you're a beginner, but it's very important to file in one direction, especially if you don't have glass nail file. Obviously, you want to start off by having your nails clean, no nail polish. And now here it comes, the best friend of your nail journey, and that is nail oils. I have mine in this amazing little bottle that looks like potion. I absolutely love it. You can buy nail oil at your local drugstore, or you can use your own mixtures like I do. Currently, I'm having jojoba oil. It's pure jojoba oil, but you can use olive oil or coconut oil or any oil of your choice. This will just really help your nails because nails love oils. And then you want to massage it in and push back your cuticles. I'm using my other hand's nail to push back my cuticles. I think it's easiest way for beginners. Obviously, there are some nail tools for this, but since you're a beginner, there is nothing you need to worry about. Then you go back and wash your hands to remove all oil, and then we want to start off by having a base coat. You can buy base coat at your local nail supply store or drugstore. They should have it, and you can pick any of your choice. This is the one that I have, and I have been using this since forever. Ever since I started painting my nails, this is the base coat that I have been using. Base coat helps protect your nails, and base coat doesn't allow your nails to actually get very stained from nail polishes, and that is something that most people have issues with, which I don't really mind. I don't mind stained nails, but I always use base coat just to prevent it because it's extra layer of protection. Then you're gonna apply your nail polish color of your choice. This is the one I have picked. It's beautiful light blue nail polish. And how you want to paint your nails, you don't want to get too close to cuticles because you will actually flood your cuticles. So you basically want to have a little bit of nail polish on one side of your brush, and other side you want to keep it clean, as you can see in the video. And it's pretty easy. You guys just need a little bit of practice, and that's all. If you get it a little bit on your cuticles, you can remove it with your other hands like nail, or you can actually use a tiny little makeup brush dipped in acetone to remove it. Then you want to apply second coat. I always apply second coat. It makes color more vibrant. It gives you real shade that your nail polish is. So I always apply 2 coats no matter how good the nail polish is. Even if it's opaque in 1 coat, I do 2 coats just in case. That's what I do. And you want to apply it as you can see on the video, and as well also you want to wrap the tip. I have a whole video on what that is and how to do it on short nails as well, and also if you have short nails, I have lots of videos on those topics as well, so check it out. After second layer, I'm applying fast dry top coat, and it's my favorite one. I've been using it again since I started with my nail art. And then you want to just apply it, and dry fast top coat will help all the coats you apply dry faster, obviously, and also will protect your nails and add beautiful like gel-like shine, which I absolutely adore. So you want to apply like you normally would, and that's basically it. You have come to the end of your how to paint nails for absolute beginners, and I hope these tips really help you guys. If they did, please leave me a comment below. Let me know what you thought of the video because I love hearing your feedback and I love chatting with you guys. I also have many other videos on my channel that I think you will like, so please check them out. Subscribe if you're new, and I will talk with you in my other video. Until then, never let anyone dull your sparkle. Bye!